Proper cleaning and service of the foam air filter is probably the most important maintenance step you can do to protect your engine. And there will be times when installing a fresh, clean air filter for each moto will give you a performance edge over the competition. Refer to the owner's service manual for your model and access the air filter assembly. If there's an inner guide screen or secondary filter on your model, make sure it's in good condition and clean it if needed. You'll also want to take a second and inspect the filter sealing area. If you see a spot where it looks like dirty air is leaking past the seal, closely inspect the foam seal for damage or if the inner frame is distorted or broken at that spot. One of the best tips is to have spare filter elements already cleaned and oiled. You can then install a fresh filter for the next moto in just a few minutes. When you're ready to clean your filters, remove the filter element from the inner frame. This sealing portion of the filter element is designed to fit snugly around the inner filter frame to seal out dirt when it's installed. Always take care when removing and installing the element to the frame to avoid damaging the seal foam. Shake off any loose dirt or sand, then wash off as much excess dirt and debris as you can with water. This will help keep your filter washing solution as clean as possible. Get a couple of clear or light-colored plastic containers, at least 6 or 8 quart size. Make sure you have disposable mechanics gloves and safety glasses on, and pour about half from the gallon bottle of Yamaha air filter cleaner solution into one container. The solution can be used multiple times and can be poured back into the bottle when you're done cleaning your filters. Place a coffee filter in your funnel to strain as much of the old dirt out of the solution as possible. Replace your cleaner with fresh when it gets too contaminated to clean your filters properly. Completely immerse the element in the cleaning solution. Repeatedly submerge and squeeze the filter to work the cleaning solution completely through the filter element. This breaks down the old foam filter oil and releases a good majority of the dirt. Continue this process until the filter is clean. Squeeze the filter element to remove excess cleaning solution. Never wring or twist the element. This can tear the foam material or cause one of the glue seams to split open. Now wash the filter a second time using mild dish soap and warm water. This will release the remaining dirt and cleaning solution residue. Wash the filter until no further dirt comes out. Skipping this second wash in soap and water can leave dirt trapped in the filter that can enter your engine, causing increased wear. The light-colored plastic containers help you see when you have the filter clean. Now rinse the filter in clean warm water until all the soap is removed. Carefully squeeze the filter to remove as much water as possible. Now pat the element with paper towels. This will help reduce the overall drying time. Closely inspect the filter. Check the seams for glue deterioration or separation. Check for tears in the filter element or damage to the airbox sealing surface. If the filter is damaged, do not use it. Even a small tear or hole in the element will allow dirt or sand to enter your engine. Allow the filter to dry completely. The filter must be completely dry before new oil is applied. Using the proper air filter oil and correct application is critical. Do not use regular motor oil or spray type oil. Motor oil will not stay suspended in the filter material, and spray oil can produce spotty, uneven coverage that will allow dust, dirt, or sand to pass right through the filter element into your engine. YAMALUBE foam filter oil is a special synthetic formula to help disperse the filter oil all through the foam material. The filter oil itself is specially designed to resist water contamination and to be especially sticky to stay suspended in the foam and to trap the maximum amount of dust and dirt possible. Use a 1-gallon size sealable plastic storage bag and insert the clean dry filter in the bag and pour in 3/4 to a full bottle of the YAMALUBE foam air filter oil. This is more than's needed, but we want to make sure we get the filter element completely saturated with oil. Remove as much air as possible and seal the bag. Now squeeze and mash the bag with your hands, making sure to spread the oil throughout the entire filter. Take your time. Remove the filter and carefully squeeze out excess oil. Again, be careful not to wring or twist the filter. We want the element saturated with oil, but not dripping wet. Now work the filter with your hands to help evenly distribute the oil throughout the entire filter element. This can take some time to do properly. When finished, the entire element should be covered with foam filter oil with no dry spots. You can pour the excess filter oil back into the bottle for future use. Clean the filter element guide and install the filter, making sure it wraps completely around the frame. Follow the steps in your owner's service manual to reinstall the filter assembly. Make sure the sealing surface of the element fits into the airbox guide all around. If the filter holding screw on your model has a separate plate washer like this, make sure the rounded, smooth side faces the foam so it doesn't cut the foam filter. We wish you the best of luck at the track, and thanks for watching.